Hello students. So last time we have solved type first of integration. So today we'll solve type 2, we call as integration by substitution method. So let us have an example of exercise 3.2a. Okay, so this is the question number 1, first question you can see. So let us start this question, and when we apply substitution method, whenever we have a complicated part, so therefore we put here log x is equal to t. Now you should know what is derivative of log x. So therefore this is going to be 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So now see, you can write this question as log x raised to n into 1 by x dx. Okay, so in place of this part 1 by x dx, so you can write dt, right? So therefore the question become t raised to n into dt. So this become a very in the simple version. So therefore apply the formula of x raised to n. So the answer is t raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So therefore this is equal to, now write the value of t, that is log x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So this is my first answer. Okay, so let us solve some more questions. So let us have a next question. Now you can see the complete part of this particular part is sine inverse of x to 3 by 2. So therefore put sine inverse of x raised to t, I mean sine inverse of x is equal to t. So therefore what is derivative of this? This is root of 1 minus x square. तो ये आपको डेरिवेटिव पता रहना चाहिए पहला तो. So this is very important. If you don't know, so I am just writing derivative of sine inverse is nothing but 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Okay, anyway, now see this particular part, even you can write in the form sine inverse of x raised to 3 by 2 into 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So this part is replaced by dt, right? So therefore the question become, this is going to be t raised to 3 by 2 into dt, correct? Now now we apply the formula of x raised to n. So therefore this is t raised to, obviously 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1, because we have a formula x raised to n का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है हमारे पास, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Okay, now just write the value of t and the final answer. T is sine inverse of x raised to, this is going to be 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 plus c. So this is my second answer. Okay, so let us have some more question. Now you can see the next question. So this is a very important question. So if I put, now you can see what is the complete part of the sec square and its angle is x raised to 10. So obviously this part is complicated. So before solving this, so let us write just this way, sec square x raised to 10 into, I am just writing other way around, just we are writing this x raised to n with dx. Okay, now you can see if I put x raised to 10 is equal to t, so therefore what is derivative of this? Apply the formula. So 10 into x raised to 9, right? Now into dx is equal to dt. So therefore this is going to be x raised to 9 into dx is equal to dt upon 10. Okay, so this part is replaced by dt by 10. So therefore the question become integration of sec square t into dt by 10. Now see, you can take 1 by 10 outside. So this is sec square of t dt, and we know that integration of sec square is tan x. So you should know, तो इधर क्या हो जाएगा आपका tan t हो जाएगा plus c. So therefore answer is 1 by 10 into tan of t is x raised to 10 plus c. तो आपको इधर फॉर्मूला पता रहना चाहिए. You should note that integration of sec square x is equal to, so this is our formula tan x plus c. तो ये फॉर्मूला आपको पता रहना चाहिए, तो उधर से हमने ऐसा लिखा. ठीक है, okay, so let us solve one more question. Now see, this is the question. So I am writing this as, now you can see the complete part of this question is log of log x. Okay, तो अभी ये सॉल्व करने के पहले हम ये सम को ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. सी हाउ आई एम राइटिंग. सो यहाँ पे dx है and this is a log of log x, right? Okay, you can see इस तरह से आ गया आपका. सॉरी, थोड़ा बड़ा करते. Okay, now see, if I put log of log x is equal to t, so what happens? पहला तो log x का डेरिवेटिव आएगा, so we apply, so therefore 1 upon log x, and then वापस log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x, and then dx is equal to dt, right? So this part, this complete part, this numerator is going to be replaced by this complete part, this part is going to be replaced by dt. So therefore the question become dt upon this is t, and this we know this is nothing but log of mod of t plus c, and finally we'll write log of mod of you can see whatever the value of t is. So finally we are done with the type 2. So you can solve this 4 questions for understanding integration by substitution, and in the next video we'll see the type 3, and that is also a very interesting type, and that comes in the board exam. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, thank you very much everyone.